In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, two names stand out: ChatGPT by OpenAI and Gemini by Google. These cutting-edge AI systems are redefining how we interact with technology, each bringing its own unique strengths to the table. Today, we'll dive into a dynamic comparison between ChatGPT and Gemini, highlighting the latest features, capabilities, and the intelligence driving both platforms. Let's start with ChatGPT. Since its launch, ChatGPT has become synonymous with advanced natural language processing. Its ability to understand, generate, and analyze text has set new standards in AI communication. By September 2025, ChatGPT has been seamlessly integrated across a wide range of platforms, powering chatbots, virtual assistants, content creation tools, and even enterprise workflows. Its versatility is unmatched when it comes to handling complex conversations, translating languages, and providing insightful semantic analysis. Users worldwide rely on ChatGPT for its deep understanding of human language, allowing businesses and individuals to interact more naturally and efficiently with digital systems. With broad adoption and continual updates, ChatGPT stands as a pillar of AI-driven communication, proving itself as a leader in text-based intelligence. Now shift your focus to Gemini. Introduced by Google in December 2023, Gemini represents the next leap in AI innovation, a true multimodal powerhouse. Unlike systems limited to text, Gemini is engineered to process and understand a diverse range of data types, including images, audio, and video. By leveraging Google's vast data resources, Gemini can recognize, classify, create, and edit images and sounds, as well as analyze and enhance video content. This capability opens doors to richer, more dynamic interactions. Imagine an AI that not only chats with you, but can also interpret a photograph, summarize a video, or compose music. Recent advancements have made Gemini highly efficient on various devices, from smartphones to large-scale data centers, thanks to Google's deep learning techniques and optimized hardware integration. The potential for Gemini is immense, offering creative and analytical solutions that go far beyond traditional text processing. So how do these two giants measure up side by side? ChatGPT excels in natural language processing with widespread integration and proven reliability for text-based tasks. It's the preferred choice for anyone who needs powerful language understanding, whether you're drafting emails, generating reports, or building conversational AI applications. On the other hand, Gemini's multimodal design gives it a significant edge when it comes to handling visual, audio, and video content. If your workflow involves different types of data, or you want an AI that understands both words and images, Gemini's versatility is hard to beat. Both platforms deliver high speed and accuracy, but Gemini's adaptability across devices and its deep integration with Google's ecosystem make it a compelling option for users looking for innovative cross-media intelligence. Ultimately, the question isn't which AI is objectively smarter, but rather, which one is smarter for your needs? ChatGPT's mastery of language makes it indispensable for communication and knowledge work, while Gemini's broad capabilities shine in creative, multimedia, and data-driven environments. Each has its own strengths, and the choice depends on what you value most: precision in language or flexibility across media. So, which AI would you choose for your next project or daily workflow? Do you lean towards ChatGPT's linguistic expertise or Gemini's multimedia prowess? The future of AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let us know your pick. Drop a comment below and join the conversation. The world of artificial intelligence is moving fast, and your choice could shape the way you experience technology tomorrow.